It's your girl Yammy, and I'm here. But I'm videotaping now before Boo gets home. Boo went out and did something very special for me today. So he's going to pick it up. And he's on his way home. And Obi's all excited too. Can you tell? All right, I'll let you know. He bought me a Mac computer, desktop computer. I've been using my iPad or my iPhone to do my editing. And it's not good right now with my eyes. It's really hard to see. That's why I have a lot of video. I have some footage, but I just need to finish editing it, and it's kind of hard to see and squint. So he went out and bought me a Mac, and so I've been in the bedroom here working on where I'm gonna put it. And let me show you guys my semi-organized mess. All right, so when you come in the room, there's Obi. Hi, Obi. Say hi to everybody. This is going to be my desk here. This was my sewing desk. My sewing machine's still there. My sewing stuff is still around. This is my organized craft mess here and working on here. But this is where the Mac's going to go. It's going to go on here. And then I have it set up. I have my Cricut there. Put my things, my rolls there. Brought in this light to help me. And this is on the low setting right now. My mirror I did. I don't know if I ever showed you guys my mirror. Look at my flowers. My roses up there. They're made out of egg cartons. I made those and painted them. And I put it on my mirror. Hi guys. Isn't that cute? So this lamp was out in my living room. I moved it in here for here. And did you want to say hi to everybody? Is that your problem? Say hello. Okay. Now just shush now. Yeah, some stuff. What? No, he did not just talk back. I've got his pillow there for him. And I put a pillow over here for him, so he should be happy. And this right here is Boo's girlfriend. You see that girl? That's his girlfriend. I was 20 years old in this picture. So it was, what, 28 years ago this picture was taken. But that's his girlfriend. He keeps her on the side of the bed, you know? My drill's still there. I still got to hang up my, I have a palm tree here to go on the wall. It was on this wall where the TV's at, but I moved the room around. The bed used to be up against this wall here. And so behind where my craft area is, this is where the TV was hooked at. So we could watch it from the bed. Well, we got new windows put in this fall and last fall or whatever. So these windows are a lot more better. It used to be so hot. You couldn't sit in the bed because it was too hot with that sun, because this is the east side. So we get all the, hush up. We get the sunsets. No, west side. This is the west side. Duh. Okay. Rephrase it. This is the west side window, so it heats up in here. So then I just turned around and put the TV back on this wall. It used to be on this wall because this is where we had the bed before, but it was hot. So now that's where I have it. And I can see the TV better from the bed. Before, what are you doing? Oh, his biscuit was on the bed. Sorry. So that's what I did today. Somewhat. So now Boo is gonna, hang on. So the rest of the video is gonna be Boo coming in with the Mac, and he's gonna unbox it. I told him he could do it. Well, I'm letting him have the joy of unboxing it. So I'm going to videotape him unboxing my 21.5-inch iMac. I think so. Yeah. But I'm excited. And they're giving me a year of Apple TV. Yes. I'm going to check that out now. All right. So we'll see you guys in a minute when Boo gets home. Oh, he's bringing home dinner too. So we're going to eat before the unboxing. But we'll be all right. All right. There's the man. He is the man with the master plan. Let me see. We're waiting on you. We've been waiting for you to get home. Did you guys see that?
What are you waiting on?
I told them you bought me a computer.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, I think I see it right back in the back. No, I don't.
No.
Oh, no. Look at. There it is, right there. I found it. Let's open up the back. Look at that beautiful box. Look at. Can I at least carry it in the house?
Where's it at?
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay, I get to carry it, guys. Let's go. Hurry, before anybody sees us. Alrighty, here we go. Ooh. I'm excited. See you in a minute. Pretty colors. Now, we've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on which computer to get, which one, the best one, you know, what we need it for, what we need it for. You know what I mean? So, we've been watching them all, and it's kind of funny watching them do it. So, I think I'm going to have fun doing this, but just so you know, Apple did not give this to us. We did not get this free. We purchased this.
Took a lot of saving.
Yeah. A long time without it. Well, I had a really old computer. I had been making that work for the longest time. It was time to give it up. I had to be plugged in all the time. With the laptop, you couldn't unplug it. You'd lose everything.
Hey, Yami.
Yes.
Let's get to the good stuff.
Okay. I'm going to turn this around. They talk about this little tape here that they put. There it is. It's a little tab. And everybody says it's an enjoyment to pull.
Enjoy it.
So I'm going to try to enjoy it. Maybe I'll put this to music while I'm doing it in slow motion. Ready? Oh.
That's a whole lot of enjoyment. That's a whole lot of enjoyment.
Done!
Was that enjoyment?
No, it was okay.
Okay.
I've had better. Alrighty. Oops, wait a minute. Alrighty. This should be the keyboard and the mouse. Does it open another way that I don't know? Okay, here we go. There we go.
Thank you, Johnny Gilbert.
Ooh,
Nice, fancy.
it's nice and smooth. Oh, there's an apple on it.
It's fancy.
Alrighty. Keyboard. Now they said something about this is a new keyboard. It's a butterfly keyboard, or was that on the laptops we were seeing? Never mind. Wrong computer. We looked at so many, it wasn't funny.
MacBook.
Ooh, that was fun. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look at that. That's an it's engraved down there. I think there should be.
Yeah, there's your on and off switch.
Oh,
Somewhere.
back on the back. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna set that there. And charging cord. Yes. There. And in here.
That's all the fun stuff that you're probably not going to read.
But I'm not gonna read it. But what I heard was, well, we got Apple stickers.
Mm-hmm.
Pamphlet. I'm not gonna read. But look at this. This is a cleaning cloth for your screen, and they talk about how good this cloth is. And I think, didn't I hear there's an apple engraved
Yes,
on
on
it?
the other side.
Is it there? You see it?
Yep. Oh, where?
Right in here, I think.
Right there.
Yeah, I can see it on the screen there.
Yeah.
Ooh. Let's get to the good stuff.
Please.
Look at this, is fun.
Boom, da-dum-dum.
We could have a puppet show with this later.
Sure.
Oh. It smells new.
Yeah, I hope so. There you go.
Take 34. Charging cord, power
Power
cord.
cord.
Alrighty. You know what? I'm not used to. It's going to be hard to remember. I don't have a big old tower anywhere. This is the whole computer. Just this. I was like shocked. Oh. It had like Velcro on it. Well, let's see if I can save this. There we go. Ooh, static. Ooh, we got more tape.
It's warped. The screen is warped.
Alrighty. Oh. I gotta find the piece to start with.
Got it?
Yep, here we go. Ooh.
It doesn't want to leave.
I almost wondered how much editing they did on those other ones, because they seem to get it pulled off easy without a problem. You know, Yammy's real. Okay. Alrighty. Now I gotta select.
Use British English as the main language. Press the return key.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah. It's doing something here.
She's got it all set up, just about.
Boy, you're gonna have to get those steps out and learn how to walk up those steps. I'm gonna be picking you up all the time.
Oh no. Oops.
States, I'm gonna hit the return. Oh, I gotta hit the
That class contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up the Mac.
What was it? Alright, alright, alright. Look at here. I got it all hooked up. There's my Apple TV right down there. I gotta get that set up. We get a year free of Apple TV. So guess what? Bye-bye, cable. See you later. We won't see you no more.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That's going to save us a lot of money for the next year. So I am so happy to have this. It is so much bigger. And I got it in the dark mode so I can see it. And ooh, I can't wait. So now I'm going to play with this. If you guys don't hear from me for a while, it's because I've been consumed into my new iMac. All right? iMac? Yeah, iMac. With my cute little mouse. It's not Mickey Mouse, but it's a cute mouse. Got that one? All right. You guys thought it was funny, right? Wait a minute.
Samsung.
Oh, no, he did not just Samsung me with my Apple. Let me see, I've got an Apple Watch, Apple phone, Apple Pad, and Apple computer. I trump you. You only have 3. I have 4. Right? He's got his phone, his watch, and his notebook. Yeah, you only have 3. So I still beat ya. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Don't forget, if you haven't yet subscribed, do that now. It helps the channel so I can bring more videos like this to you and more food reviews. We're going to be doing a little series on Disney foods. So I'm excited to do that. And this is about to fall off my head. Alright, I'm going to go play. See you guys later. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammy some more.
Yeah.